What's up, makers? My name is Luke. The ancient paper folding technique called origami has so much to teach us about art and math. By just using our imagination and paper, we can create amazing things. So today we've got two challenges for you: origami hearts and origami Yodas.
Origami comes from the Japanese words ori, meaning folding, and gami, meaning paper. The challenge is to transform a flat, square piece of paper into a sculpture using folds and creases. Origami has so much to teach us about geometry, fractions, and problem solving. Creating origami requires patience and focus, but seeing your finished product is extremely rewarding. Supplies. First, you're going to need some paper, a ruler, a pencil, scissors, and some markers, a green, a black, and a brown marker. First, we need to measure a 6 by 6 inch square. Take your pencil and your ruler and mark a 6-inch mark on your paper. Then rotate your paper and mark another 6-inch mark. Now we need to connect these marks to make a square. Time to cut. Start with your paper in a diamond shape and then fold the top corner to the bottom corner and then unfold it. Fold the left corner to the right corner and then unfold it. Now fold the top corner to the center. Fold the bottom corner to the top edge. Now fold the bottom left and right edges to the center crease. Now flip your origami heart over. You're going to fold the right and left corners in just a little bit to create two small triangles. Now fold the top two corners down as well. Flip your origami heart over and you're done. Congratulations! Now let's create our Origami Yoda. Start with your paper in landscape format. You do not need to cut your paper. First, fold the paper into thirds. Make sure that you crease the paper sharply. Now fold corners outwards. These will make the ears. Try your best to make them as even as possible. Now you're going to fold the top over up to the tip of the ears. Make the crease along the top very sharp. Use colored pencils, markers, or paint to decorate your Yoda. Have some fun with it. Experiment with different paper sizes and colors. There are all kinds of creations you can make using origami techniques.
Thank you for watching this video. This video is brought to you by the KSU I Teach Maker Bus team. Share your creation online using the hashtag #ITeachMaker. Don't forget to follow our YouTube channel and follow us online at iTeachMakerBus. See you later, makers!